Keep calm. And carry on buying AI tech stocks as they deviate from the highs. Where the greater the deviation, then the greater the buying opportunity presented. Keep calm and carry on buying. Quantum AI tech stocks. Today I'm going to show you why PayPal is so bad, crap in fact, to do business with. All the fees. Today's grief is going to be the FX rate where I convert some dollars into sterling. First, let's look at the current rate. It's the 3rd of November and this is the sterling. Current rate is 1.125. What rate do you think PayPal is going to offer me? 1.13. Obviously it should be higher to get this spread. Let's have a look what I get. So is it convert currency? Right, let's convert $5,000 into sterling. What's the rate going to be? 4,246. Let me do the calculation. 4,246. That is equivalent to a GBP rate of 1.178. That's nearly 5% above spot. To convert from dollars to sterling, I'm paying 5% fee. Oh my god, that is poop. Yeah, this is the current rate, 1.125, and they want to charge me 1.178. That is a 10% spread between bid offer. 10%. Can you believe that? 10% they're taking in the bid offer spread. Do the sums yourself. Let's get a calculator. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll get a calculator. Save your time. Look. So it's 5,000 divided by 4,246.18. 1.17. This is why PayPal, they got so many fees. PayPal is shit to do business with. It might have been good at one point, but now they're creaming so much off. You know, it's a nightmare. I'm gonna have to shift from PayPal. What's the best alternative? Let me have a look. I'm gonna move from PayPal. They just rip you off. Look at that. FX rate is, this is the FX rate. GBP 1.125, and that's what they're charging me. That's a 10% spread between bid offer. Now if I went the other way, 5% off 1.125 it'll be. So it'll be 1.125 times 0.95. 107. So to buy dollars, to sell dollars 1.18, to buy dollars 1.017. What a massive rip-off spread, PayPal. This is why the stock price has done this. You know, this is why the PayPal stock price has done this. From a high of 311 last year to a low of 67, currently at 79, is being up to 103. Bloody hell. All those who invested in PayPal at least during last year, they at least halved. Well, they will have halved. Look, no matter where you bought during 2021, you've lost at least half, probably 2/3. At least if you bought near the FOMO, you 80%, at least 70%, 70 to 80%. Why do you think that's happened? Yes, it was overvalued, but They are hemorrhaging customers. I'm thinking of leaving. This is ridiculous. Yeah? 5%, 10% bid offer spread. Can't do that. This is the pain of doing. This is the pain of doing business with PayPal. Their fees are not competitive. Yeah, I've got to move. And this is why the stock price is close. I remember your patrons asked me here in October last year, oh, is PayPal a good stock? Should we invest? And I didn't know much about it, but I looked into it, and my conclusion was, forget PayPal, go for GPN. Now look, let's see what our GPN's performed. Look at that. So this was GPN here. Yeah. Or was it November? I think it was in November, yeah. So here, around here, they're both fallen. So this was PayPal here, and this was GPN. And what's GPN done? It's basically moved sideways. What's PayPal done? It's fallen by, it was up 15% relative. Now it's down minus 50, so that's 50, 60, 70%. So PayPal has fallen by 70%. My patrons asked me, "Oh, what do you think? What do you think?" I go, "All right, I'll look into it." I looked at it. I go, "PayPal is a third stock, but I found a gem." This is what I said. I found a gem, GPN, and GPN since it was, what was it? So it was there, and now it's down. So it's minus 28, now it's minus 30. So it's down about 5%. Which, given that we've had a bear market, is not too bad. Whereas PayPal, let's go back in November. Oh, that's December. It was around here. Yeah, so 90, around that, there, yeah, that. So it's plus, call it 14. Now it's minus 6, call it 56, 14. So there you got it. You got your 70% drop. So GPN's dropped down about 5%. PayPal's down about 70%. That says it all. And why? Why? This is why. It's turd. They're ripping me off. Now why is the calculator not coming up? See, this is why it's a turd. This is why PayPal's is dying. It's hemorrhaging customers. It's coming out with stupid stuff like, oh, we're gonna charge you, was it $2,000 per tweet? Garbage. Look at that. 1.17. Spot is 1.125, and they want to charge me on to convert. What a rip off. I've got to move from PayPal. Yeah. I am. I can't cope with this shit. I'm gonna have to move. This is better. What's PayPal alternatives? Low FX fee. PayPal low FX fee alternatives. Alternatives. I'm gonna move. This is rip off. Stripe transfer. Amazon Pay. Alright, let's look. Amazon Pay FX fee. FX fee. 0.5%. Bloody hell. PayPal charging me 5%. That 0.5%. What other fees have they got? Because PayPal's got more fees than that. I only just showing the FX fee's got this another fee about 5% for transactions at least. So what they charge? Domestic. That is pretty cheap. I think if you own PayPal shares, if you still own them, you need to get out. Look at this. There's no comparison. Where's the FX fee? Cross border 0.8. Oh, it's 5%, 4%. Oh yeah. So Amazon fees are higher. Well, they're lower. I think PayPal's are 5 to 6%. Well, the FX fee don't share. Alright, let's go back. Stripe. So you want to invest in a company that's not going to Google is Google Pay. You know. Let's look at Google Pay. FX fee. Okay, let's have a look. What do they charge? They don't like to share how much they're charging all these. 3%, there it is. It's better than it's still a lot. 3% is a bit of a... Or is that? No, that's not it. That's someone else. I'm glad I'm not invested in PayPal. I hope patrons heeded my advice and did not pile into it when they thought it was cheap here. Back in November. They thought it was cheap. It wasn't cheap. It was even then. That was just like the halfway mark. Let's get rid of. See, this is what you should have invested in, and I did actually invest in this one. I'm not sure what price. Obviously, it was after. I think I've been accumulating here in June. Let me have a look. How much have I invested in GPN? Let me have a look. Let's get my portfolio table up. There's my portfolio. Right, let's have a look. GPN, where are you? How much am I invested? Medium. 69%. My exposure to GPN is 69%. So I've got room to invest more. Let's have a look what the current price is. I might invest more. I think it's fallen. Oh my, it has fallen. I'm gonna put more money in. Oh, it's there. It's back near the lows. Oh, but sterling's now fallen as well. See, this is the problem. Alright, let me get something. Let me show you. Alright. Alright then. So this is a GPN in sterling. There was the low in June. So you can see the subsequent low was not a lower low here in October. It was a higher low. Yeah, I wanna. It could could fall today. It's 106 pre-market. This is yesterday's close. It's not much different than yesterday. So you could get near the low today, but not with sterling falling. Yeah, so I'll be accumulating more GPN. Look, this is the rate. It has fallen since its peak in May last year. November time. This is when I was saying, look, to forget PayPal, go for GPN, and that was the low. It's not traded below much or once in June. I don't think I accumulated any then, but I did accumulate in June. This is why I'm 70% invested. There's my GPN. What's my exposure? 69% invested. Yeah, can you see GPN? 69% invested. I could buy some more. Yeah. If it falls to a little bit further, buy near the lows in sterling. Obviously in dollars it's going to be a new bear market low, not in sterling. No, recently traded back to where it was in the bull market, although it had fallen. But this is just illustrating the dollar prices don't mean much to UK investors. It's the sterling price. Look here, this bear market is invisible. The 2022 bear market here, from here to here, it's not been much of a bear market, but to sterling investors it doesn't exist. It's been sideways. In fact, you could have range traded it. Yeah, you could range trade it from buying. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You might get another one, 5 opportunities to buy, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3 to sell. You could have range traded it, but I didn't. I did range trade it from here. I got to about 90% invested and sold about a third. I probably sold it here. This when sterling fell. Anyway, this was a video about PayPal. What a pain in the butt. Why you should not invest in PayPal, because it's a dying platform, and the reason it's dying because the rip-off fees. I'm gonna be moving. Yeah, I'm gonna be using it someone else. I'm gonna be moving out. I can't use this crap. I made the mistake. I'll still use it for what it's convenient for, but I'm not going to use it for holding FX, converting. It's just too much of a rip-off. No, 10% bid offer. That is nuts. Yeah, the FX rate is 1.123. Let's press refresh. This is not refreshed. 1.124. 1 week. That's the 1 week. 1 month rate. Let's do the 1 month. So it gets it there. It's 1.124, and they want to charge me 1.178. I'm not sending any large amounts FX fees. I'll just use it for convenience for the invoicing and stuff. But I'm not going to do any FX conversions. No. PayPal is rip-off. And this is my preferred stock. Let's look. Comparison against PayPal again. That's what PayPal did. Let's go year to date. This is PayPal performance. So for 1 year, GPN is down 19% in dollars. PayPal is down 64% in dollars over 1 year. In dollars, in sterling, it's a different story. 1 year. GPN is up, or is it? No, it's flat. GPN is flat. PayPal over 1 year is halved. No, it's more than halved. 0.7 divided by about 1.6. It's down 60%. 0.7 divided by 1.6. It is down 60%. But that's the sterling graph. Anyway, this is why you should not invest in PayPal, and why the stock price has collapsed by 65% versus my 20% for my preferred pick, GPN. The reason why they charge rip-off fees, 5 10% bid offer spread. That is ridiculous. I'm an idiot. I should have stopped using PayPal a year ago. But it's so convenient and everyone uses it. That's the problem. I'm going to have to at least for big transactions, shift, get the tens of the thousands of dollars transactions. Small ones I'll continue to use PayPal, because so many people use it and it's convenient for small, get it done. But for large transactions I'm not going to use PayPal anymore. It's just a rip off. 10% bid offer spread is a rip off. And here's when some patrons thought it was cheap. Nah. It held up for a brief couple of months, then it went bounced. It's probably going to go to new. I think PayPal's going to new lows. It's dying. That's not our stock price over. The fundamentals are bad. People are leaving it because the FX fees rip off. The fees, 10% here bid offer, another 6% for transactions. It's just a rip off. They're taking 16%. That is rip off. Hey patrons, you think I'm getting it? Patrons are paying me money and they think I'm getting what they gave me. I'm barely getting. After I was taking the feed, I'm barely getting 70%. You do realize that? If it was at Patreon at $4, I'm not even getting $3. I'm getting probably $2.70. Anyway, do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do consider becoming a Patreon. What a rip-off. This is why you're a dying stock. Can you imagine it? 10% bid offer spread in 2022. What planet is PayPal on? They might have got away with it, say 15, 20 years ago. Not in 2022. So some charge, spreads in the pips, hundredths of a cent. These buggers charge 5 cents to buy sterling. More than 5 cents. Should be 5 pips or 20 pips, not 500 pips. What a rip-off. That's my PayPal rant video. Why it's a dying. Why the stock price. If you're investing in PayPal, it's not coming back. There's nothing. People are shifting away from it. And this video is merely an excerpt from my extensive analysis, truly extensive analysis. It's mega analysis, even from my standards. It's a mega piece that concludes in a detailed stock market trend forecast into the end of next year, end of 2023. A detailed trend forecast that tries to map out the trend for the Dow into the end of 2023. That's why I needed to do the extent of the analysis I had to, because to settle on a high probability trend forecast, and which was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis trend forecast, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $4 per month. That's nothing. $4 per month, that is nothing. And my forthcoming, you get access to all of my recent analysis apart from this mega piece. And the schedule of analysis includes US house prices trend forecast. That would be 3-year trend forecast. I already released a preliminary forecast, so I had to hit the pause button on that to focus on the stock market. But I've done 80%, so I've got a rough idea where it's going. I just need to finish it and fine tune it. That'll be my next piece, mega piece. And then there's regular analysis, updates on the state of the stock market portfolio. Then there's the global housing market. I'm going to do that about halfway done. Then we'll look at the detailed look at the British pound and US dollar, even though it is included in this analysis. I have done analysis of the dollar, which is important. And then I'll update the high risk stocks portfolio. There's 2 of them. There's the mid 2021 and the February 2022 portfolios. And I'll have a look at the crypto markets. Is there any sign of life there? Is it falling enough? I remember when I did the analysis last year, I was looking for around 83% drop in the Bitcoin price. Has it fallen by 83%? The high was around 70,000, so I don't think it's got there quite yet. And then I'll have a look at gold and silver, though it's not top of my list. And for Christmas, a special, how to get rich. This is not some garbage. This is step-by-step guide of what you need to do. There's no easy way to get rich, but I'll do my bestest to teach you how to get rich. Hardcore, no waffle, direct points, step by step how to get rich. That will be posted during Christmas. That's a mega piece. That's what I'll probably update that annually, as I add more stuff to it, because step by step guide. So for all of that, do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $4 per month to get immediate access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts. $4 per month is nothing. And do remember to subscribe to this YouTube video for new videos. Gaining access to over 35 years experience, right from before the 1987 crash straight through to this stock's bear market that will ride the quantum AI megatrend into the future.